Hello everyone. I want to tell you what I'll be looking at as market resumes later today. Towards the end of last week, some good opportunities began to play out. Um, I'll be telling you about six pairs I'm looking at. Like I said in my previous videos, I said that four pairs uh, are basically on a long-term buy. The bias long term it's buy. So if you're a swing trader looking at months from now, you should look at swinging GBP USD, Euro USD, GBP JPY, and Euro JPY. Those guys are on a long buy bias. Okay. But for intraday um, traders, on Friday last week, we got some good opportunities that we should watch out for as market resumes today. So I'll be telling you six pairs that I'll be looking out for as market resumes today. The first of them is AUD USD. AUD USD, that's the first option here. Now you can see it has a very good run. It's on a buy trend, and this is a very good pullback. This is a complete circle pullback. Okay, then it's resuming the buy trend to come back to this high. I entered this trade late on Friday. It was the last trade for the week. I entered on this candle. This was a confirmation candle. Okay, so I entered there for a buy, and my stop loss, my entry was here. My stop loss was down here. Okay, so you can see my risk management here, suggesting the lot size I entered. So this is the first pair we have to look out for as market resumes, and it will most likely come back to this high, which is about 78 pips away. Okay, so most likely come back to that high. Okay, so that's the first pair I'm looking at. Okay, then the other pair we have to look at, also watch out for, is CHF JPY. This similar pattern, CHF JPY. Okay, I thought I clicked you. Yeah, it's just that the last hours, the last 30 minutes of Friday, market had a long run. It just spiked. I was waiting for this breakout, and it happened so fast. Okay, but you can see you have a good buy trend, and you have this good pullback here, and then it's continuing. So it's going to continue to this high also. Okay, so you have, but this has run far, so be careful when entering this. Use a very low lot size, because you can see it pulled fast the last 30 minutes of Friday. Okay, this is the point to enter. It's breaking this high. So that's the second pair. Then the other pair is AUDNZD. The third pair, AUDNZD. AUDNZD. Okay, so AUDNZD, this is the next I'm looking at. So we'll have a good run for buy trend. I'll have this nice pullback here. Don't forget, the Genesis system is all about, you notice a trend, you wait for pullback, then you execute as market continues. Okay, so I'm looking at this to break about this point. I've not executed this trade. Okay, so this is a very good one to watch out for. Let's hope that market won't jump in all these pairs. I won't experience market jump, but this is what I'm looking at. So I'm looking at entering a buy, and to expect it to get back to that high. So we have about 50 pips for that opportunity. Then the next is Euro JPY. This Euro JPY. Euro JPY has been on a buy trend and it had a very good pullback, and it's continuing the buy. Okay, so you see buy trend, very good pullback, continuing the buy. This was executed here, okay, at that break. So when entering, please be careful because your lot size, your stop loss now is longer, so use a very minimal lot size. So it's going to hit that up again and continue. Like I said, this pair is on a long term buy. Okay, if you look at higher time frame, you can see where it's trying to hit. It's trying to go as high as this. Okay, so it's on a long term buy. Okay, so this is the fourth pair I'm looking at. The fifth is NZD-USD. NZD-USD. Yeah, NZD-USD is also give us a very good opportunity to continue a buy trend. So you see a good buy trend, you see a wonderful pullback and continuing. So you watch out for this also to continue the buy up. Then the last of them is US oil. US oil, that's the sixth pair. US oil. I don't know why you're reluctant to respond. I think I need to reboot my system. Okay, US oil will have a good buy trend also. You can see a good buy trend. And you see complete pullback and a buy. So watch out for that also to buy. It's going to head back to this high. That's about 120 pips. So US oil is going to about $42.50, about $42.50. So watch out for those positions and utilize them. Okay, happy trading this week and let's make some money. Thank you.